All right, so Motor Toys guys, what is this Audi A3? What do we have for mods?
Intake, inlet pipe, downpipe, stage 2 Unitronic, IS20 turbo.
Bigger turbo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Be a really fun run with the Genesis.
Oh shit, that's a pop.
Yeah, that was a cop right there. He ain't gonna do nothing though. I smell it. Smells good, sounds good, looks good, moves good. Alright guys, this thing really rips. We're gonna get a little exhaust note here. Hold on here. So we're making about 300-ish, 310 horsepower and around 300 torque. So, yeah, and how much does this thing weigh, do you think?
I think like
3,400 pounds. So this is gonna be a good run for the Genesis, especially now that I got my mods. I'm making about 415 to 420, but obviously weigh a little bit more, so we'll go to war another night.
Yeah.
Unless he's brave enough to run the Raptor tonight, I guess we'll see.